What up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys had a good New Year's. You guys didn't party too hard, I'm guessing, but yeah, hope you guys had a good one. But today I am going to be installing the rear trailing arms from HubCityPerformance on my hatch. So as you can see, I have everything laid out. This is from HubCityPerformance. The rear trailing arms. Nice welds, they're nicely powder coated. I didn't get the spherical bushings. I had the regular bushing because this is a street car. I still want it to be streetable, so I don't want it to be too stiff. And they include these white lines that basically just slide through and just bolt it up. These HubCityPerformance lower control arms that's actually offsetted for your suspension to clear the axle. Nice details. And it's nice they even labeled it left hand or right hand for you guys so you can see that. So that's that. And I do have some blocks, camber arms, and the toe links. But that's pretty much my setup for the rear, and yeah, let's get started. I am reusing the OEM bolts. As you can tell, they're a little crusty, a little rusty, but overall they're still in decent condition. I'm just gonna wire brush them and clean them up a little bit, and I'll get back at you guys. Alright, got the bolts all scrubbed up, cleaned up, lubed up. Not the best, but they will work, and they're OEM. But right now I'm just gonna do like a pre-adjustment on the toe and the trailing arms just to match up with the stocks, just for now, because I'm still gonna get alignment, but I just want to try to get it as close as possible. So I basically just put 2 screws or 2 bolts back on the stock toe arm, and I'm just going to try to slide this in, and as you can see, that pretty off, and I'm just going to keep twisting until they line up. Kind of hard to do it in one hand, but just like that. And yeah, but you get that idea, just to get it as close to stock as possible. So I'm just gonna preset these, then we'll get on to the trailing arms. So before I install these onto the car, I'm gonna pre-install these, the camber kit and the toe, onto the trailing arm, so it makes it easier to put onto the car. Alright, they're all assembled, and now I'm gonna get ready to install them into the car. So got this side all installed, on top, bottom with the toe. I got left is the lower control arms to see how the clearance is with my coilover. But yeah, it's on to the next. And just like that, the other side is done. I did install the lower control arms and everything already. Woo! She's looking spicy. Since everything in the rear is fully mounted and in, I can probably say that the rear end of the Civic is finally fully all-wheel drive. The next thing is basically the brake setup, and I'll show you what I got. So in this box I just did a basic setup. It's basically 90, 90 Integra rear calipers and brake setup, which will mount on to the rear. But I just did a simple setup, Integra rears, brake pads, and rotors. So it's actually a new day since the last clip that you guys saw. I just got done installing the rear discs, the calipers, and rotors and everything. And let me show you. So as you guys can see, I got the rotors on, the calipers on, the brake pads, everything is fully installed. The only thing I had issue was this bracket here that was actually hitting the trailing arm that wouldn't let me bolt up the caliper. So basically I just took it off, put it on the vise, and bent it just slightly just so I clear, put it back on, and it was good to go. So that's my rear conversion or disc conversion. So since the rear trailing arms and the whole rear disc conversion is complete, all I gotta do now is just install the rear diff and the axles. But the rear diff still needs some love too. So on the next video, I'm gonna be cleaning up the diff and installing the diff with the axles. Then I can actually turn the car around and start on the motor. So if you made it this far, I just want to say thank you for watching the video. And if you guys are excited for more content on the car, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.